experiment. One experiment only. And we're gonna need a plate, plastic plate, or two, one or two, candle, a cup, glass cup, plastic cup, okay, water and tissue, and a lighter, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna put tissues here, 2 and 3, okay? You can put here as well, small one. Now, we're gonna put water. You see? I put water, don't touch. Now, we're gonna put the candle here and here.
Okay.
Now we're gonna light the candles here as well. Now I'm gonna put these glasses on the candle. Okay?
Stop.
You see? The candle turned off. Why is that?
This is good.
Because no oxygen for the fire. Okay?
This is good job.
We're gonna wait a little bit.
This is
Okay?
good job.
Good job. Now, you can see magic. Abra, cadabra. No, don't do it. Wait. Ooh. Now, this another magic, but we're gonna make it harder. We're gonna put the cups like this. Put water inside the cups. You see? Okay.
This time, mouse take care.
Now, try to lift the cup. 1, 2, abra, cadabra. Try slowly.
Goodies.
Why does this happen?
Because it's vacuum. Yay!
Because inside there's vacuum.
Yes.
The vacuum pulls away the air around the plate, and it gets stronger than the atmospheric pressure. Okay? Is it good? We're gonna put this like here. Yeah. Okay, say bye. Okay. Leave your hand on the cup. Just like this. Okay, you're gonna try. Yeah, wait a little bit.
I got it. Now?
Wait. Yeah, remove.
Wow! You got it. Yes, I need my. Yes, Mina. I got it. I'm gonna try.
Yeah, go ahead, Christiana. Try. Yeah, you have to wait a little bit. Yeah, try. Lift. Yay! Yeah, say bye. Yalla, lift it. Yay!
Bye.
Bye.